Hey guys, Dubstep Man here with another residence glitch in Bunker Hill. See, this the resident.
Look, I'm trying to relax. Been on the road a long time.
She's a caravan worker. You just need to headshot her. Loot her body for what she has that you want. And then the glitch is activated. Now I just need to pick up the weapon. So I think I know where the weapon is this time. You guys just need to come down around Bunker Hill to get to this. Walk up these stairs and go to the last door on the left. And a gauss rifle will spawn in the bathtub. So if you guys enjoyed this vid, be sure to leave a like on the comment section below. Leave a like, comment on the comment section below, subscribe for more Fallout 4 resident glitches.